Hi students, here we are going to learn about the circles, the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle means in a circle, the boundary, you can see this outer region boundary. It is in some curve connected, right? So this distance is called as the circumference of the length of this. We can find this by using a thread. So you can keep a thread and we can calculate the length. If a small circle, if it is a big circle, we have a formula. So circumference of a circle. The distance around a circular region is known as its circumference. This distance around the circular region. So in here there will be the center, and distance between this to the circumference is the, we call it as a radius. And we will get a one interesting result while taking the ratio of circumference to diameter. If we divide this length of this boundary, that is a circumference, with that if we divide the diameter, 2r is a diameter, the full length is diameter. If we divide, we will get a value for pi. It's close to the fraction 22/7, or we'll take a two decimal values 3.14, or it is called as the pi. So wherever you see the pi, you can substitute the value 22/7 or 3.14. So whatever circle, if you take a small circle and if you find its circumference divided by its diameter, you will get this value. If you take a big circles and if you find the circumference using the thread, it is easy to find a circle's circumference and also the diameter. And if you divide, again we will get as 22/7 or 3.14. So that constant is named as the pi. Pi. Clear? So from this we can derive the formula. So diameter is divided here, while taking it will become a multiplications. So diameter is nothing, it's a 2r, right? From the center to the radius, circumference is a 1r. So here is another r, 2r. So pi into 2r, and the standard form written as a 2 pi r. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. And while coming to the area of the circle, it is a pi r square. What is this? Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Circumference is 2 pi r. That is when we call it the perimeter in the triangle and parallelogram, we have learned, right? Rectangle, square, we call it as perimeter, but while circle, it is called as a circumference, and area the same, pi r square. So here we go for the problem. Find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. So given the 14 centimeter is the radius, we have to find the circumference. So circumference is equal to, we know that formula, 2 pi r, and they said take the pi value as 22/7. So 2 into pi I am going to take as 22/7 into r is the radius, which is given as a 14. So 1 times 2 times, right? So 2 2s are 4 into 22 is a 88 centimeter. So circumference of this radius 4 centimeter circle is a 88 centimeter. So here we go for the next problem. Find the area of the following circles given that diameter is equal to 49 meter. So we have to find the area given diameter is equal to 49. Then what is the radius? Half of that, 49/2, right? The radius is equal to half of the diameter, 49/2. So it will divide, we will get decimal, so let it be there. We will substitute directly in the area. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. The pi is we can consider as 22/7, because since here also fractions we can cancel, into r square is a 49/2. They given the square, so we have to multiply twice, right? Yes, the 7 and 49 cancel for 7 times 2, and it is for 11 times. Clear? So 11 into 77, 7 is a 77 into 49 divided by 2. So if you multiple 77 and 49, we will get it as a 3773, right? And division 2 is that, and if you divide, we will get, that is half of it, we will get as a 1886.5. It's a area and it is given as a meter, so it is a meter square. Clear? So here we go for the next problem. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154, so given circumference, so outer circumference is equal to 154. Find its radius. We have to find the radius and also find the area of the sheet. They asked to take the pi value as 22/7. So what is the circumference formula? 2 pi r, right? So circumference is 154, then 2 pi r is also 154. We can substitute 2 into 22/7 into r, so we can find the radius from here, right? So if you take 2 and 22, its multiplication will become division and 7 will become the numerator, right? So 154 division 7 will become a multiplication, and multiplication 2 and 22 will become a division, right? And 11 table we can cancel it for 14, and this is for 2, and again 2 table it can be cancelled for 7 times, right? So radius is equal to 7 into 7 divided by 2, which is equal to 49/2. Since it is given in the meter, the radius will be in the meter. So radius is equal to 49/2 meter. So same the radius we can substitute in the area and we can find the value. Area of circular sheet is equal to pi r square. So pi value is 22/7 and r we found as a 49/2. Since it is a square, we are going to multiply twice. Same, right? It's like in a previous. 7 times 11 times 11 into 7 is 77. 77 into 49. Previous problem we found it as a 3773 divided by 2, so which is equal to 1886.5 meter square, right? This is the area of the circular sheet. So here we go for the next problem. From a circular card sheet of a radius 14 centimeter, this is the one circular with radius 14 centimeter, two circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter breadth 1 centimeter are removed. So these two circle with 3.5 centimeter and one rectangle is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So from this big circle, the two small circles and one rectangle is removed. We have to find the remaining area. Then we have to find this big circle area. With that area, we have to subtract these two small circles and the rectangle. So what is the big circle? Big circle radius is given 14 centimeter. Then what is the area? So area is equal to pi r square, that is 22/7 into r is a 14. 14 into 14, right? We can cancel it for 2 and 22 into 2, 44 into 14, and it will become a 616 centimeter square. So area of the big circle is 616 meter square. So these two and this rectangle is removed, right? So we have to subtract this. So let me find. First we have found a big circle. Let me find a small circle. And so small circle radius is given as a 3.5. So area of small, this is for a small circle, pi r square. Let me choose 2 r other, so we'll get confused. Let me choose this as a 1 and 1, and let me choose this as a 2 and 2. Whenever there's a two different radius, let me choose, name it as r1, r2, r3, r4. 22/7 into 3.5 into 3.5, since it is the square. We can cancel, this is for an 0.5 times, right? And if you multiple 0.5 into 22, it will become 11, and 11 into 3.5 will become a 38.5 centimeter square. This is for a one small circle. We have to find a two small, so with that only we have to subtract. Then area of two small circle is equal to 2 into 38.5, which is equal to 77 centimeter square. So next, one more shape is also removed. It is a rectangle. Only one rectangle is there. Length is given 3 centimeter, breadth is given 1 centimeter. So rectangle is removed, length is given 3 centimeter and breadth is given 1 centimeter. So what is its area? area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 1 into 3. It's easy, is 3 centimeter square. So from the big circle area 616, this 77 is removed and 3 is also removed. That means we have to subtract. This 77 centimeter square area is removed and 3 centimeter area is removed. That means we have to subtract, right? So that is the remaining area. Remaining area of sheet is equal to 606. That's the big circle, minus area of the small circle is a 77, and minus the rectangle also removed, it is a 3. So we will get it as a 77 minus 3 is an 80. Then 606 minus an 80 is equal to 536 centimeter square. So this is the remaining area. Just we have found a full area, and with that full area we have subtracted the area which shape is removed. So removed we are subtracted and we have found as a 536 centimeter square. Thank you.